Hello everybody, this is Brian back with the Hedera HBAR update. You can see we had that breakout of that wedge. I have a pretty good article here I want to show you first, and I know it can get a little disappointing when you have a drawback, you know what I mean, if you go to the top of this down. You know, we had a 9% pullback so far on this thing. No big deal. You're going to have that. That happens in this market. It's nothing out of the ordinary. People get frustrated. You know, what it looks like here possibly is a 3, 4, 5 move. Something like that. I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, but I still believe this thing has another leg up here. It hasn't even come up and hit that 618 or 702 yet. I totally believe it does. Okay, we have that 4-hour RSI at the bottom, just about ready to turn around. All right, and we'll go over the rest of them here in a second, and we'll get right back to this. But I had a couple comments. People get frustrated with pullbacks and stuff like that. It's just part of the game. I mean, you're going to have that. HBAR is a solid company, and right now we're down 3.8% as I make this video. We're just having a little bit of a red day. That happens. The market's moving a zigzag pattern, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's the way it goes. So first of all, let's get into a article here. The best altcoins to buy today, March 31st. Okay, this was out yesterday, and HBAR is on the list. Okay, and of course they see the reason why these guys don't put out these articles, but just for the hell of it. I never heard of Byte Out. Never heard of that crypto before. Okay, what else? Stellar, good, great project, been around forever. Polkadot. Never heard of that. Meme coins, I don't like talking about them. Arbitrum, another good solid project. Delance, blockchain freelancers and their prospective clients. Okay, that sounds legit. HBAR, there we go. You know, these guys look at these charts, and you know, right here, according to the technical analysis, HBAR's form is slightly bullish. The graph indicates that the asset's current price is slightly above its 50-day moving average. All right, let's put the 50-day on here, and we'll check it out. Where's my 50 and 200 at? Right there. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, okay, on the daily. There we go. Yep, we're slightly above that 50. You can see we're just riding it almost as support right now. Okay, let me move some of that junk off there. I apologize. In fact, I can take that so we can see that a little bit better. There we go. Yeah, you can see that it's just riding right on it. Okay, now if we go down through here, however, the asset falls behind its 200-day simple moving average value at 0.09. HBAR's moving average convergence and divergence metric exhibits a buy signal. On the flip side, the relative strength index puts the asset in the underbought region. The Hedera Foundation has announced a fresh supply migration from the private MasterCard blockchain to the open source Hedera network. I covered that on yesterday's video. It's a Commonwealth Bank partner and the largest MasterCard provenance user. FSCO chose Hedera for 3 reasons: the governing council's maturity, the capability of low fixed expenses, and the ecosystem's objective of establishing ESG reporting as a legitimate practice applicable to all industries. A company that massive, they are the largest MasterCard provenance user. You know, that fresh supply company. So a company that big is not going to collaborate with you know, failing companies. Okay, they see a lot of potential in Hedera, as everybody does, I believe. So let's move on here. Here's your top 100 crypto bubbles, and if you haven't yet, folks, please hit the subscribe button. We did our first giveaway yesterday, 100 ADA to Jessica Larson, and all you have to do, we're going to do that giveaway the last day of every month. Just be a subscriber. That's it. You know, we cover 10 to 15 different altcoins. You know, don't just get stale covering one coin. Like to stick to them 10 or 15, because most people own more than one, or are looking to own more than one. So You might look through my videos and see a few other ones you might like. I cover like I said, 10 to 15 different ones. Cass and Zilliqa, you know, they're on here. I cover them. Theta. There's a lot of good cryptos out there. And so let's move on here. Here's your crypto fear and greed index. The market cap is just down 0.5%. Volume is down to 29.3%, but we were up 80% yesterday, okay? Bitcoin dominance is flat. The market sentiment, we're down 2 notches to a 61 today. Here's your biggest gainers and losers. Let me reload that. I apologize. Having internet problems, having some storms here today where I'm at, some thunderstorms. So you can see Injective at the top there, and you can see your top trenders on the left. And if you guys haven't yet, there's been a lot of hacking and stuff going on with crypto, unfortunately, lately. I got a Ledger Nano X a couple of years ago for Christmas from my wife. If you're looking for a hardware wallet to get your internet, or to get your your crypto off the internet, this is the perfect thing to do it with. Okay, if you have your crypto on an exchange, I don't know if you're aware of this, it's technically not your crypto until you remove it from the exchange. So I moved all mine onto my Nano. I put it in a safe, and it's stored away. If somebody would steal my Nano, I can get on the Nano site and use use my stuff that I have, my passwords and everything, and retrieve my crypto. They are encrypted with a password and everything, so it doesn't matter if somebody steals it, they're not going to get it. But you can, there's 5,500 different tokens on it. You can put NFTs on them, and you can put up to 100 apps on them. Plug them in. They're Bluetooth compatible with your phone, and I'm going to put a link in the description if you're interested in checking one out. Just a safe way to keep your cryptocurrency. So there'll be a link in the description of the video. But here we go. Let's look at this HBAR price. Yeah, that 50, it's sticking right to that 50 right now. Let's clean this up a little bit and get some of that stuff off there, okay? Now, yesterday when we talked, you can see the daily RSI there. Looks like it is rolling over a little bit, okay? No huge deal there. That thing can pop up and down, and you can see right there it does pop up and down. Right when it looked like it was heading down there, that's when we got this recent pop. But we broke out of that falling wedge, which was huge. We hit the projected price of that falling wedge. Then we took that off there yesterday because we hit it, and now we've hit that resistance up at roughly 0.075 area, okay? This is not financial advice. I totally expect us to get up to that 0.0787 area, because that is the 618 to the 702 on a Fibonacci. All right, let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hours about reset. The 1 hour is reset also. The 2 hour, I don't really look at that much, but it's down at the bottom also. So I'm expecting a move today sometime, and this support right here has proven to be very, very good support. This was resistance. We broke through it. We've come back. We back tested it, and very valid support line. I wouldn't expect it to lose that support at 0.0685. That is a solid support area back here. So we needed to bust through that. The thing is, you got to cool off for a second. Once you make a move like that, you have to cool off. I mean, this thing was up how much? Let's see how much this thing went up. Boom to the top. It was up 17% yesterday. That's a big move. You have to have a pullback, or a cool down. You seen the volume come in to back up this breakout right there. Look at that big volume spike. Nice volume spike there too. Then people get scared and start selling off when you get a pullback. Yeah, it's just part of the market. It's just the way it goes. I totally could see this playing a 5-wave up. Definitely see 2, 3, 4 is usually your biggest one. As long as it doesn't go below 1, that's still valid. So right to there, and a 5th wave up into our price area. So I could see that playing out, and let me show you that fib so you can see that's right with the 618 to 702 area. That's a normal area for crypto to come up to. Let's pull this down a hair. There we go, perfect. Well, we did hit that 618. The 702. Well, I'm keeping it there. We did hit the 618. We didn't quite hit that 702 yet, so I'm keeping that right where it's at. I still think this thing has another leg up, especially with that 4-hour RSI resetting. I totally think this thing has one more leg up. I think this is 5 waves in here. Totally looks like 5 waves. If you know, if any expert out there cannot see that, you know, totally looks like 5 waves. So I'm sticking with it. Thank you very much, guys. I will check back in with you tomorrow. I have an alert set up here for that price area, so hopefully overnight here we hit that, and I will get back to you guys tomorrow. Thank you so very much. Please hit that subscribe button, and I hope you have a fantastic day, guys. Thanks for watching my video.